NMS is part of national government. In fact, our office is part of the office of the president. So the national government is there to serve all Kenyans. So we as national government will continue with our objectives unhindered to ensure that service delivery reaches every citizen. When the devolution came, the work was divided between national government and county government. So I believe whether it's county government or national government, service delivery is very essential to the people. So whether we are in existence or not, service delivery will still continue. Remember that we are part of national government and we have a duty and obligation to serve the people. Very proud of it. It has been a model, and I'm sure Wananchi will judge for themselves.
And we're doing this, Mr. Chair, so that we can be allowed to access office and interact with our staff, so that we be in a position of responding to these queries and other duties or mandates which I'm supposed to discharge as the governor of this great city. So we are making efforts, Mr. Chair, and I'm sure very soon we shall be allowed to access office, interact with our staff, and come back to this committee to respond to the query raised by the Auditor General, Mr. Chair.
The NMS has further purported to take over the official limousine of the Nairobi City County government. Such is how low the NMS has stooped. But even in the face of all of that, the NMS has purported then to recall all the resident engineers from the projects that have been ongoing, because somehow the NMS feels that His Excellency the government His Excellency the Nairobi City County Governor will take some measure of pride and recognition in the successful completion of those projects. This, I would say, on behalf of His Excellency, is sheer sabotage. Let me add by saying that at no stage has the NMS had the occasion to demonstrate its technical capacity. The NMS, if we were to follow and abide by the Intergovernmental Relations Act, is bound to have had the technical expertise to execute any and every function